Hello, Lolo and Mama. I really miss you all. I like all of you because I really miss you too. Mama and you, Lolo. I really love you.
How about Tito Hugo, Nika, and your cousins?
Tito Hugo and Tita Nika, and I like them and also everything. I love you.
Tita Bujing pa.
Tita Bujing. And also my cousin Allen Baba and you.
Tell us something about what you're doing here now in Isabela. You're having fun or like that?
I'm having fun here, and I have a little puppy now. His name's Blackie.
Let's see if you're big na. Stand up. Stand on the floor. You move so that I can run. Big na ba? So turn around. You model.
Model how?
You walk here and then like that.
Like this?
Start there and then walk here.
Here?
Yeah. That's all? Finish? Say bye-bye na to them.
Bye-bye! I love you all!
Sweet.